Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my clear instant noodle soup. And here are the ingredients. 1 packet of clear noodle soup and 1 tablespoon of sliced green onion, 2 pieces of fish roll balls, and cooked pork chop. The first thing you need to do is boil 2 cups of water and add in our fish roll balls. And now we need to add in our packet of noodles. The noodle came in with 2 seasoning. One is some oil, the other one is a packet of powder. And now we could add all of this seasoning into our boiling water. And we will continue to cook the noodle for about 2 to 3 more minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now we could add in our green onions. Now is a good time to put our noodle soup into a bowl. And let's not forget about our pre-cooked sliced pork. We could add them in as well. This is my go-to comfort food. It is delicious, warm, and comforting, especially in a nice, cold, and rainy day. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.